Hello, my name is Darragh O'Sullivan. I'm a System Applications Engineer in the Connected Motion and Robotics Group in Analog Devices. The demo we're showing today is on the topic of industrial condition monitoring. Many of our customers are looking to add condition monitoring capability to their industrial machinery. This helps with prediction of faults and also opens up possible revenue streams for our customers based on the machinery status. Analog Devices is an industry-leading provider of condition monitoring, signal chains and sensing solutions. What we're showing today is a few of our sensing and signal chain solutions as well as some of our partner solutions. So starting with vibration sensing, ADI is an industry leader in MEMS vibration sensing. And what we're showing today are some of our ADXL 1002 based vibration sensing solutions. The first of these is ADXL 1002 directly connected to an appropriate signal chain. The signal chain is based on the AD7768-1 24-bit Sigma Delta ADC. One of the key challenges in mounting vibration sensors to equipment is the mechanical mount. This is critical in ensuring that all of the energy over the bandwidth of the sensor is captured correctly. And if the mechanical mount is not done right, then much of the energy will be attenuated before it reaches the sensor. ADI provides a characterized cube solution that the evaluation board for the ADXL 1002 can be mounted to, and this can then be mounted to the equipment to ensure that all of the energy is being captured and there is a good data stream coming from the sensor. We're showing this here in the context of a fault simulator. This is a rotating test rig where we can introduce faults such as imbalance, misalignment, and bearing faults. On this specific demo today, we're showing two different types of bearing faults. So the ADXL 1002 is shown here mounted on the cube and connected to the AD7768 signal chain. This is a very flexible Sigma Delta based solution where the type of digital filtering can be selected and flexibility can be provided in terms of the type of monitoring desired by the customer, whether that's time domain, frequency domain, or a combination of both. We're showing here the sensing solution connected to the eval board, and then the data from this eval board is shown here in the PC where the time domain and FFT data can be logged and the ADC settings can be modified to help optimize the setup of this signal chain for our customers. The second signal chain we're showing is based again on the ADXL 1002 with the cube mounting, but this is an IEP Compliant circuit. So we have added some circuitry around the ADXL 1002, still in the cube form factor for the eval board, and this then connects to an IEP interface. This enables this signal chain to be also used with existing piezo sensors. The signal chain again is based on the AD7768, but there's additional amplifier and signal conditioning circuitry that enable the IEP interface to connect correctly and to provide the noise and bandwidth levels appropriate for very high performance piezo sensors as well as our own ADXL 1002 IEP interface solution. Thirdly, we're showing our temperature sensing solution. This is shown here where the temperature of the bearing is being measured. This is based on the AD7124-4 and an RTD based interface to this high precision temperature signal chain, where accuracies of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius are achievable over a very wide temperature range, enabling this solution to be used for monitoring small changes in temperature that can occur and can bring indications of changes in the bearing health or other parameters besides the bearing. On top of some of our own signal chains here, we're also showing a partner solution. This is a 3-axis sensor based on the ADXL 359 that we have developed with our partner AMC Vibro in Poland. This is mounted here to the other bearing. This is a fully embedded system where there's a sensor, data acquisition and processing and RS-485 interface all in the one mechanically optimized solution. We're showing here one of the solutions. We also have a single axis solution based on the ADXL 1002. And again, we have an RS-485 to USB interface where the data can be streamed continuously to the PC, logged and saved for post-conditioning. As well as these signal chains and partner solutions, finally, we're just showing here a few different options of capabilities we have for evaluation. Again, showing the cube mount, also showing our Pioneer platform, which is a robust RS-485 solution for long cables to enable connection in a harsh industrial environment to the ADC-MXL 3021 3-axis module. And we're also showing a reference design that we're working on that will enable this solution to be packaged up in an IP rated mechanical mounting that can be again easily applied to a real system with optimized mechanicals and full protection from the environment. So we hope this video demo has been useful in showing you some of Analog Devices' full signal chain and sensing solutions for condition monitoring. Thank you.